Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 66 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the madmax car, from our good old pals over at Hachette. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, and who wouldn't, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too could be building one of these along with me. Let's have a look through this week's magazine and see what we're up to, folks. We're carried on with the dashboard, and we got the dashboard L's in this week. So we're going to need the binnacle that we've been building up the last couple of weeks, folks. So grab that. We've got a few bits to go in there. Handbrake and the lever for opening the bonnet, and then we'll have our dash assembly done. Shows you where all the bits go. Press fit, quite easy this week. Couple of PS5 screws are going to be used to hold the instrument binnacle in, and then we're going to end up with this complete dashboard section at the end of this issue, folks. Okay, then what have we got on the back here? We got history of the Ford Falcon, and this is the Ford Maverick coming of age. It says there, the 4-door variant there. Typical 70s cars there, the bronze and the vinyl roof. I remember seeing a lot of cars looking like that. And then obviously you had some vibrant colours start coming through. So that's the magazine sorted. So we'll put this to one side, folks, and when we come back, we'll start a bit of assembly for you. Right, this is what we've got arrived this week. This is our dashboard surround or console, whatever you want to call it. It's the top of the dash there with the vents and then that. So we're going to be working on this, and we have got the bonnet handle to go in like so. So that's going to go right in that corner there on that tab. We'll shove you in place. I'll put a bit of extra fin on the back of that, just be on the safe side. Grab a bit of that. Just stops it from falling out. This stuff's a plastic welding glue, so it'll just stop that from flying out. And then we got this little bit of gubbins going in here and all. So we're sliding in that hole like so. And then that piece there is going to go in the top like that. Just like so, okay? So that's in situ. And then again from the back, I'm just going to tap a little bit of extra fin on the back of that peg there. And just around to let that absorb in. And that will weld that into place now. Stop that from flying out. Because if anyone's going to knock it out, it's going to be me, isn't it? Now remember as well now, folks, as you're handling this dash, we have now got lots of little fragile bits poking out of her. Okay, and we don't want to start knocking any of them off by being heavy-handed. So just remember that when you're placing the dashboard down, that there are now delicate parts that we don't want to damage. Right, I can now line this binnacle up and start dropping that in place, folks, okay? So, like so. Straight in, and you just tilt it in and it'll drop straight in place from above. I can show you that again if you want. From above, like so. Put it in, tilt, line that little groove up, and it'll just drop straight in situ. Again, remember, you've got all these little levers now. So I'm going to put my fingers just there as I screw these in, okay? And we've got a couple of the screws going in. One is right down there, so we'll have you first. If I rest it that way up, I know I'm not resting on any potential things that can break. Little drop of oil on that one. Grab that give it a pinch, and we're going right down in there, okay, with that screw. Think, and that is that done, okay, and that's what we're going to end up with, a rather swanky looking dashboard, isn't it, eh?
Yes, Fester.
So there you go, folks. So that is that issue done. Make sure it matches the instructions. Okay, so that's what we look like on the instructions, and that's what we look like in reality. Okay, folks? Now, we're not done with this yet. There are going to be other bits and pieces, glove box lids and stuff going on this. So we are going to be working on it. But what I shall do is I shall keep it in its bag that it arrived in, just to keep it safe and scratch-free whilst we're waiting for the next lot of issues to be delivered, folks. Okay? So, don't forget, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this along with me. Also, to help me out, you can click little Fester in the corner and subscribe to the channel. I'll be immensely grateful. It is free, and it just helps keep the channel alive and growing. Whilst you're there as well, like, hype and share the video. Puts it on other people's feeds, just lets them come and see me. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Stay safe and well. Goodbye for now.